Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I'm here to share another haul from Hobby Lobby. But first I wanted to kind of say something. I am keeping track, just like Tina, who's Crafty Bean here on YouTube, is doing. I am keeping track of things that I spend. Um, I haven't been keeping track of what I mail out, but I've been keeping track of my spending, either in stores and online. And it's because I know I'm going to spend money. If I said this year I'm on a spending freeze, that's not going to happen, and I know that. And I say that previous videos on my channel, and I fail every single time. So I wanted to keep track of my spending, and I did. Like in this is January, I spent 100 and no, yeah, $174. Um, and I've just been keeping track of and I've been keeping my receipts too. So I've already been bad this month. Now, what Tina does is she sells some of her stuff to offset what she buys, and I think that is a great idea. I don't have that kind of time to do that at this time. Because I'm working full time and I wish I had the time to do that. I think that's a great idea, Tina, but I just don't have the time. So anyway, I went to Hobby Lobby because I needed dark green paper for my cards. This paper here, I wanted a darker green, and I needed four. No, I needed 7 sheets of it. It wasn't on sale at Hobby Lobby, of course. It never is. My husband always changes my idea of making a card, and I told him I don't have a lot of paper this color, at one time, because I make about, I don't know, 10 to 12 cards um, each holiday. So and they're simple because I have to make 12 cards and I have to make sure I have 12 items to put on the card or wrap around it, or I have to make sure I have enough paper to cover the card, bling, and stuff like that. That's why my cards to my family are relatively simple and quick, because I don't mind being in my craft room, but when I'm making one item 12 times, it gets boring. It doesn't interest me all that much, and then I just think it's a chore. But when I sit here and I do one thing or I do something for myself, I love it and it's so much fun. But, when you have to make 12 different or 12 of the same style, it just gets redundant. So, anyway, with that said, my husband and I went to Hobby Lobby, and he was picking up all these dies. Now, granted, he always says, "You have so much stuff," and I do, and I'm blessed, and I am so grateful that I have all this stuff. It's just that he doesn't make it any easier. I already said I'm not buying any more dies from Hobby Lobby because I'm done, right? No, he picked out, I want to say 90% of this stuff. I mean, I'm not saying that I bought a ton of stuff. It's just a few items from Hobby Lobby, but they are at good prices. So let me start. So he picked out this one, and I was like, I already have a polar bear die. Well, it's a stamp and die set from Michael's back when. And um and I said, "Oh, well, whatever." And I just didn't want to argue with him, but he insisted. So it was 14.99 and we paid 3.74 for it. And as I'm looking in the back, I'm like, "Oh my gosh, this polar bear is simply too cute." And it's nothing but dies, okay? And it has, like a scarf. What is this? This must be, oh, is that part of his, what is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what these little pieces here are for, but anyway, the trees is cute, the snowflakes, awesome. So I thought, okay, that's a really good die to have. Then I got this one, and I know a lot of people have been sharing what they've been buying, and I didn't think I'd want this, but my husband got a different one, and I was like, "Ooh, I want this one too." And this one was $20, and I got it for 5. So I didn't think that was too bad. And you get all these pieces. I mean, how many pieces? You get 14 pieces, and I'm like, wow, that would be fun to make. And I love Christmas, so I'm hoping I can do something with that. And this is the other one that he picked out. And I said, do we really need that? He goes, well, I want the penguin. Look how cute the and I'm like, you want the penguin or do I penguin? He's too funny, I swear. And then he picked out this one and he goes, "Oh my gosh, these dies are $30." And I said, "Yeah, I mean, I never thought of picking this one up, but okay." And it's a door and it says home for Christmas. And it's really cute. I love the topiary tree here and the Christmas tree and little gifts. And it has 15 dies, and I got it for 7.49, which from $30, I mean, wow. And then he picked out this one because of the truck. I'll turn it over because of that. That's the only thing he wanted. He just wanted that. And I'm like, you're crazy. And I think this is really cute. I think I like the Merry Christmas. You can make this a shaker even. So I said okay, and this was 26.99, and I got it for 6.74. Okay, and then the last thing I bought. Oh, and then I got some thread too. But anyway, I saw Tina pick this one up, and I don't know why. I thought I'll try to get into the primitive style, I think. And this would be cute to have little chickens peeking out, or I don't know. This might be a really good background for a country theme card. I don't know. But I thought it was a good deal since it was 10.99 and the stamp is only 2.74. And it's a pretty big stamp, so I thought that was a good deal. So yeah, that is my little bitty haul from Hobby Lobby. Um, I I gotta stop going there. um, with the papers, and I bought some gold thread um, for my card, but I didn't use it on my card. I used a different kind of thread. And so, yeah. So this is all that I got at Hobby Lobby's clearance. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll be back hopefully on Friday. Thanks everyone. Bye now.